Hey Nash, what should we make?
Bang, bang goes the dynamite.
Are you trying to say you want bang bang shrimp?
Yes, because I'm pretty sure I've been banned from all the restaurants that serve it.
All right, let's make some bang bang shrimp with a little extra bang. Today, we're making bang bang shrimp, or some restaurants call it dynamite shrimp. I'm pretty sure they're basically the same thing, but either way, it's delicious. It's basically a brined, battered, fried shrimp that's tossed in that bang bang sauce or dynamite sauce, which is essentially, it's a creamy, sweet, spicy sauce. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you how to make it at home and how to make it at least as good, if not better. You can serve it to friends and be the star of the whatever. Anyways, without further ado, let's go. So we start with a brine for our shrimp. This is really just water, salt, and sugar. Use whatever size shrimp you want. I think I have 60 80s, which I thought these were 20 40s, but either way, you know, you don't want to get like those little cocktail shrimp, but any size will do. Put these in the brine, and then we chill this for 20 to 30 minutes. Now we can make our sauce. So in a very large bowl, way bigger than you think you need for just sauce, because then we're gonna toss the shrimp in this. Add some Kewpie mayonnaise, that's Japanese mayo, some sriracha, some sweet chili sauce, and then if you want to add some extra bang to your bang bang and make it bang 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 shrimp, add some of your favorite hot sauce. The heat is up to you. This one is a little scorpion pepper deal, totally optional. And then we whisk this up. And final step is salt to taste. Then for our batter, we add some flour, some cornstarch. The recipe's posted below, so no need to write down or pay attention to any measurements or anything. Some salt, kosher salt, some pepper. If you have white pepper, that's what's actually supposed to be used, but I don't have white pepper. I got black pepper, so hey, that's what we're using. And some garlic powder and some gochugaru or Korean chili flakes. And we mix this up. Then we divide this. Put a third to a quart of it in a separate bowl. Add a little bit of vodka. Stir that up until we have a kind of a thin batter. Like that. So then, work it in batches. We take our shrimp, put them in the dry batter, shake them off, throw them in the wet batter. And then shake them off, back in the dry batter. That's what we're looking for. And in a pot or a deep pan with our oil at 350 degrees, we can go ahead and throw our guys in there. Now we don't want to overcrowd this pan, so we probably want to cook them in batches. Now as soon as our guys reach a little golden brown, want to pull them, put them on a rack in a pan, let them cool. And we throw our shrimp into this saucepan with the sauce. We'll take this, stir it up. Or if you want to look cool, there we have our bang bang dynamite shrimp. Top it with some scallions, and we put this in a bowl with a little bit of butter lettuce, just to make it look pretty. You know, gotta look pretty, right? Top this with some toasted sesame seeds. And there we have our bang bang goes the dynamite chaos shrimp. Whatever the we're calling it. I don't know. Bang bang shrimp. Time for a bite. Cheers. Look, I've had bang bang shrimp and dynamite shrimp at plenty of restaurants. Always really good. Never a bad thing to order if you don't know what to order as far as appetizers. But this is better than all of them. This is phenomenal. It was easy. It was cheap. You can do this all in under 30 minutes. No problem. And it's delicious. Plate it right. Make it look fancy. Throw some toasted sesame seeds. It looks great. It's a great dish. Highly recommend you try this. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks.
Hey buddy, look at you, sitting so pretty with your American flag bandana. Well hey, here's the bang bang shrimp. I know you've been kicked out and banned from lots of restaurants that serve this, but we can make it at home. So here you go. What do you think, bud?
Bang banging indeed.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
The early worm gets eaten.
You are so full of wisdom. for such a young dog.
Nash approves. I approve. It's a delicious dish. It tastes just like, if not better than, what you've ordered at restaurants and what you're used to. It is bang bang shrimp, dynamite shrimp, whatever. Call it what you want to call it. Never mind. Anyways, cook this for yourself. Cook this for someone. Cook it for your family. Just cook it. It's so easy and so delicious. But hey, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, subscribe, and share the show, it'd really mean a lot to me. It'd mean a lot to us. It'd help us out. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, drop that in the comments. Or go check us out at the website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us messages there. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.